Dear forum participants, dear chairman, I have two news for you. Bad news is that I don't have a colorful presentation. I will take 10 minutes of your time. My topic is corporate financing, international business dimensions. And passing to this topic, of course, I want to talk about opportunities and tendencies. Considering economic changes happening in the region, of course, we understand there are some challenges, but together with challenges, we have opportunities, which is support to real sector by banks, also meeting local demands and also increased potential for the country. And that's why coming to financing, of course, new financial tools should be brought to the market by financial institutions, by banks, starting from factoring, syndicated credits, financing projects, and different types of products can be brought to the market. And also, under present conditions, financing of trade has huge potential. And as financial institutes, through Exim banks, we focus on long-term and cheap money. We have to support real sector, and of course, we have huge potential for the markets. As we can see, soccer placed its euro bonds last year. Ministry of Finance for the first time issued debut euro bonds, and as corporate investment bank, we in private sector as well showed a huge interest in this market. Just brief information about Pasha Bank. Pasha Bank is regional corporate financing institution. From the first day of its activity, we are dealing with banking activities, and we are the only bank which specifically focuses on these activities. Our credit portfolio, corporate credit portfolio, covers approximately 4.6% of the market, of the overall market. In 2014, we opened our branch in Georgia. In 2015, we started to act in Turkey. In Georgia, we already have several syndicated operations undertaken by our bank and the local banks in Georgia. And also, coming to the trade financing, bank sees itself in top 3 banks, both on size and on a number of operations. Starting from 2015, we started to do investment banking, and in 2011, 12, 13 results shows that bank was one of the best investment banks. And in 2014, I am sure that we will have the same result. International directions of the bank starts from trade financing, and we, as the financial institute with high rating, have very healthy financial background, and we take from international banks large favorable credit lines, and we try to help to Azerbaijan trade. In the focusing of foreign investments, we are also very active. As I said, rating, reputation standpoint helps us to find international partners to bring money to the country, and Uh, Through international support, we help local companies to go to international markets. Coming to the branches, regional branches, as I said, in Georgia and in Turkey, we already have our own bank. In 2013, we started in Georgia, and based on our strategy, we call it the triangle of trade among these three countries to support the trade in these three countries, among these three countries. Just for your information, Pasha Bank's focus on non-oil sector. As you can see from this slide, general actives of the bank covers 5.1% of general actives, and it helps us to be among the top three banks. Coming to the credit portfolio, 3%. It was 3% of our portfolio in the number of the banks distributed in the market. 3-year average development rate was 32%, which is 4% more than non-oil sector development. You can ask why non-oil sector, you compare it with non-oil sector, because I want to say that the main strategy of the bank is support of non-oil sector, and at present 2.5% of our portfolio covers oil sector. The other covers non-oil sector support, because we understand that non-oil sector has huge potential, and we try to be active in this direction. From the first day of our activity, we communicate with large enterprises. One of our main products is project financing, and we have very successful projects. Two major projects that I would like to share with you. One of them is a very multi-profile company. Karadagh region, Karadagh Metal Construction Plant started its activity. Germany, Italy, and Turkey technologies are used here. In local market, metal products will be used. Also, Atropatena. Our Atropatena is our honorable project. Mr. Rashad Rasulov will give you information about this company, but I want to say that from 2011 in Acabedi region, first dairy production plant started this activity, and all the products are produced from natural milk. Few words about investment banking. Starting from 2011, bank deals mostly with investment. We are providing fundraising and market maker services as well, and it was positively met by corporate real sector. During 4 years, bank issued bonds in 200 million manat, and market maker services were provided by us in 2014. First foreign investor from neighboring country of Georgia invested to this corporate market, manat denominated bonds, and based on 2014 results, 48% of the corporate bond market was done with participation of Pasha Bank. Of course, we want to find a reliable partner, both for the emittent, for corporate emittent, issuer, and also for the investors. Also, we create fully transparent situation because if we look at the placed bonds, it's placed through the mass demand, and if the investor requires any information, they can get it by bank or by brokers or by stock exchange. And bank on a daily basis. We provide daily liquidity, and every day on every bond, we identify the price. We create condition to buy this from investor or to sell it to interested parties. And of course, it means competitive advantage, and it means the low size of spreads. About our investment successes, we have 16 placements. Among them, we have corporate or financial institutes, and I want to mention the most important ones is Baksel. Baksel is the largest placement, was the largest placement within 40 million manats through mass demand. It was placed. It was first experience for us, and also in ICT. It was first experience, and based on the interest by investors, these these stocks were issued again. I want to mention Embavut. You know all of them. All of you know Embavut. They went to capital market last year, and they entered to the listing of Baku stock exchange. We had very interesting experience with them, that we used our road show experience from them. We gave information about the bonds. Investors positively accepted it, and within one day, these bonds were placed. And it again means that capital market has huge potential, and we are ready to provide support to the development of this market. I tried to be very brief. This is all from me. Thank you.